Hello, welcome to the channel. I've got a very special package here. This should be my backdrop stand. Unfortunately, it looks like they taped up the whole box. And the other side has my address on it. So I gotta be careful how I open this. Okay. Okay, it looks like it comes in a bag. Let's see if there's anything else. Yes, there is. Ah, the two clamps. Now I did also order a whole bunch of backdrops from one seller on AliExpress. This is also from AliExpress if I didn't mention that already. Now these might be wrapped in plastic. Okay, here's the stand. So there's the end of it. There's the legs. Alright, and then the other piece should be the crossbar. Might be in two pieces. Yeah. Okay. So this looks like that. The hole in the middle is what sits on the, basically goes like that. And then I can clamp my backdrop to the bar. Actually, I need bigger clamps. I think the dollar store nearby might actually have some clamps. And I think that's all that's in here, yeah. Okay. Pretty simple. I do kind of wish the bar was a little bit longer, but that's fine. I forget the sizing of the backdrops that I got. Hopefully it'll be big enough to cover the area that I need to. Yeah, this bag is very similar to another bag that I've got actually for this bar that I've got. This is also for a green screen that I'm currently using. I did make a short that I haven't uploaded yet on how I do my top-down camera. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.